Good morning, dear students. Welcome back for the third session. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter of EVS, Me and My Body. And today we are going to discuss about bones, second, sense organs, and third, taking care of body. Taking care of our body. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about these three topics, but before taking up something or before starting these three topics, let me revise revise what we have learned in the previous class. In the previous class we discussed about hobbies, parts of the body, external and internal organs. Now, today we will start from the first topic, that is bones. Okay, and going to read the paragraph given in the work page number 8. Fine, this is your page number 8 and 4-line paragraph is there. Going to read, listen carefully. Some parts of our body are hard while others are soft. Yes, okay. Many parts are hard in our body and many parts are soft. The hard structure are called bones. What is bones? The hard structure are called bones. What is bones? The hard structure in our body are called bones. In our body there are many parts which is hard and many parts are soft. But the hard structure are called bones, and these bones give a shape to our body. Okay, to our body and protect. What is the function of this? The first function means, what is bones? The hard structure of the body is called bones, and it gives a shape to our body, and secondly, it protects our internal organs. Now clear? 3 points you have to remember. The first is, what is bone? The hard structure are called bones, and bones gives shape to our body and it protects our internal organs. Now this is clear? Okay? Understood? All of you? Fine. Now the next topic is sense organs. Sense organs. First, going to read the paragraph given on same page, page number 8. Parts of our body that help us feel the world around are called sense organs, and we have 5 sense organs. Everybody is knowing that we have 5 sense organs. But before discussing about 5 sense organs, what is sense organs? What is sense organ? Sense organ is, or sense organs help us feel or gives feeling the world around. Sense organs help us to feel the world around. Okay, it feels. It gives the feeling. Okay, it helps us feel the world around. Now, let's discuss our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Can you name these 5 sense organs? Yes? Okay, very good. It is, the 5 sense organs are, there are 5 sense organs. Okay, there are 5 sense organs, and they are eyes. Okay, eyes. What? Eyes enables us to see things around. Eyes to see. Okay, you can see from your eyes. So eyes gives the feeling of see, to see. And second, nose. Nose. So nose enables us to smell. Okay. Nose enable us to smell. Smell can be pleasant or unpleasant, and nose also helps us to breathe. Eyes to see, nose to smell, and third, ear. What ear enables us to hear? Ears enable us to hear different sounds. Okay, different voice. Sounds can be soft or loud, high, low, pleasant and unpleasant. Fine. So, these 3. Now, the 4th one is tongue. Tongue enables us to taste things. And 5th, can you tell me the 4 main tastes? The 4 main tastes are sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Sweet, salty, bitter and sour. Fine. There are 4 types of taste: sweet, salty, bitter and sour. So, tongue helps us to taste the things. Now, 5th is skin. It enables us to touch and feel things. To feel. Okay. It enables us to touch and feel things. Things can be soft, hard, cold, hot, rough, smooth, sharp or blunt. And skin covers whole body and keeps our body safe. Fine. There are 5 sense organs. Eyes to see, nose to smell, tongue to taste, ears to hear and skin to feel things. Clear? Okay. Again, what are our sense organs? What is sense organ? Tell me. Parts of our body that help us feel the word is called sense organs. Sense organs, okay. And there are 5 sense organs. Eyes to see, nose to smell, ear to hear, tongue to taste and skin to feel. There are 5 and these are the 5 sense organs and these are the functions of the 5 sense organs. Fine. Now, turn page number 9 and on this page, topic is given taking care of our body. That is our today's third topic, taking care of our body. So, how to protect or how to take care of our body? First, given below are some good habits we must follow to keep ourselves clean and healthy. Fine. So, I am going to read each habits. Okay, just listen carefully. Have a bath every day. Have a bath every day with soap and water. The first habit is take bath every day with soap and water. Okay. Now second, how to keep your body clean, how to take care of your body. First, you have to take bath every day with soap and water. Secondly, brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. Once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Now, the third step you have to follow is wash your hands before and after each meal. Wash your hands before and after each meal. Right? First, you have to take bath every day. Second, brush your teeth twice a day. Third, wash your hands before and after each meal. Fourth, you have to wash your hands when you use the washrooms. You have to wash your hands when you use the washroom. Okay? So, 4 things you have to do. More are there. Going to write on the board. Okay. And fifth is keep your nose clean. Keep your nose clean and always use a handkerchief to clean it. Always with the help of handkerchief you have to clean your nose. Now sixth, eat clean and healthy food. Eat healthy food. And seventh, do yoga and exercise regularly. Do yoga and exercise regularly. Okay. These are the 7 points that you have to take care to keep your body neat and clean. Okay, now going to read it again. Have a bath every day with soap and water. Brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night before going to bed. Third, wash your hands before and after each meal. Wash hands every time you use the washroom. Keep your nose clean. Use handkerchief to clean it. Eat clean and healthy food. Do yoga and exercise regularly. Fine. So today what we have learned, we have discussed about bones, sense organs, taking care of our body. So children, let's revise this chapter from the first session, what we have studied, what we have learned in the first session and second session and third session. In the first session, first thing what we have learned, introduction. After that, we covered similar and different, this topic. After that, likes and dislikes, then hobbies, parts of the body, external organs, internal organs, sense organs, taking care of our body. So children, is there any problem? Please, if any problem is there, write it in your copy or notebook. When school will reopen, that time we will solve your problem. Fine. Now, hope you have understood what I taught you. This much for today. Now, I will meet in the next session and go ahead. Till then, you have to take care of yourself. Wash your hands regularly. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.